In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in WordPress. This is a crucial step for securing your online presence. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your site. You'll see options to manage your content, settings, and more. Navigating the dashboard is essential because it is where you make all necessary changes and updates to your site. Once you're logged in, head over to Plugins, then click on Add New. Plugins are powerful tools that add functionality to your WordPress site. This step is vital because it allows us to introduce new features such as enhanced security through two-factor authentication. Now, in the search bar, type in WP2FA. This is the plugin we will use to enable two-factor authentication. It's a popular choice because it integrates seamlessly with WordPress and provides robust security features. After you find the WP2FA plugin, go ahead and install it. This should take just a few moments. Once installed, remember to activate it. Activation is crucial as it turns on the plugin's features and makes them available for use. Next, navigate to WP2FA settings. You will find this in your WordPress dashboard, usually under the Settings or Plugins section. Here, you will configure how two-factor authentication works for your site. It's important because this is where you tailor the security to fit your needs. At this point, you need to choose who must use two-factor authentication. You can select admins only or apply this to all users. Choosing all users enhances your site's security by ensuring that everyone logging in has an additional layer of protection. Now, select the authentication method you prefer. You have two options, an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, and an email code as a backup option. Using an authenticator app provides a more secure method as it generates a unique code every few seconds. With that ready, scan the QR code using your phone app. Open your chosen authenticator app and use it to scan the code displayed on your screen. This process links your app to the plugin, which is crucial for generating secure, time-based codes. Once you've scanned the QR code, enter the verification code that appears on your phone. This step confirms the setup of your two-factor authentication. It's an essential action to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, save the settings. This ensures that all the changes you've made are applied. You should see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now enabled for your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've significantly enhanced the security of your WordPress site. Two-factor authentication adds an extra barrier against unauthorized access, keeping your site and its data safe. Remember to periodically review your security settings to maintain a secure environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep your WordPress site secure and running smoothly.